Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin and store it in your own wallet in less than 5 minutes. And today I'm going to use the Ledger Nano S. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by buying some Bitcoin, and today I'm going to use the Cash app. So I'm just going to tap the Cash app on my phone. I'm going to go up to the top left corner. I'm going to tap that little icon with my picture on it. Then I'm going to scroll down to Bitcoin. So when I get to Bitcoin, I'm going to tap buy, and I'll put in $50 and buy. You can purchase up to $10,000 per week if you have a mind to. So I tap buy. All right, and then I just need to confirm this purchase. And there we go. I just bought some Bitcoin. But I'm not quite done yet because I don't really own this Bitcoin yet. I want to own it. I want to store it in my own wallet. Right now it's being stored on my behalf in the Cash app. But what I really want to do is hold it in my own wallet to really truly own it. So let's do that. All right, so here I am in the Ledger Live interface, and as I mentioned, I've got my Ledger Nano device connected, and the PIN is entered. I'm ready to go. And the one thing I'll need to do is enter the Bitcoin app on my Ledger device. All right, in order to enter the Bitcoin app, I'm here at the home screen, and you can see I can scroll along at all the different cryptocurrencies that I have stored on here. I get on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to hit both buttons. All right, and now I'm in the Bitcoin app. I don't need to do anything else with the device. The device is ready to go. All right, so now that I'm in the Bitcoin app, I'm just going to click on my Bitcoin account down here in my list of accounts. And then I'm going to choose Receive. So I'm going to hit the Receive button. And it tells me here on the screen to unlock the ledger and to navigate to the Bitcoin app, which we've already done. So you'll notice both checks marked. I'm going to hit Continue, and then it wants me to verify the address on the device. They're talking about this device. All right, I'm going to hit the Continue button, and then we have a Bitcoin QR code and a Bitcoin address. Now we just want to check on our device to make sure that those two match. And you'll see the address is scrolling back and forth because the screen is a bit small, but I just want to confirm that that is the address. And you'll notice it sort of toggles between showing me the address and showing me the check mark. But at any point in this process, you can go ahead and tap this button. This is the button that is above the check mark. So I'm just going to hit that. And then it says use wallet to view accounts. Now we're ready. Okay. All right. So now we've confirmed that address and we have it on our screen. So our next step is to go back over to our Cash app. All right. Now I've got my phone open here. So I'm just going to scroll down using my finger, right, until I see Withdraw Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap Withdraw. I'm going to slide this all the way over. I'm going to tap the word Withdraw. All right, and you notice there that the camera has opened up. The camera wants me to scan a Bitcoin address. And as you can see, there's a Bitcoin address on my screen. Ledger Live is showing it to me. So I'm just going to move my camera over to that Bitcoin address, and it has captured it. So, and I can still confirm that the two addresses are the same, right? And then I'll tap Confirm again. I'll enter my PIN, and it says that I've initiated the withdrawal of my Bitcoin. All right, so we can just close the Receive box here, and just keep an eye on this account and wait for some Bitcoin to come in. Now, up here at the top where it says synchronized, we can click that, and it'll sort of query the blockchain and do a sync. All right, and there we go. So the Bitcoin has arrived. As you can see over there on the side, I've just received that Bitcoin, the 0.004265 Bitcoin, that is worth $49.53. I'd like to remind everyone that I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.